Have you ever seen these viral AI cat videos? They're everywhere right now. Some of these videos are pulling in millions of views, and people are making money from them. Just look at this channel. Almost every video is crossing 10 million views. This proves the method works. And the best part is, you don't need expensive software or experience. Everything I'll show you can be done with free AI tools. Today, I'll show you step by step how to make them yourself, completely free. People are already making money in smart ways with these videos, and you could be next. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch till the end so you don't miss a single step. Step 1 is to generate our images. We need detailed prompts that tell the AI what kind of images to create. For example, I can ask, ChatGPT, give me some prompts showcasing a cat's cooking adventure story. The cat is orange and chubby, wearing a small chef's hat only while cooking, and the story goes step by step, buying vegetables, bringing them home, chopping them, cooking the food, and finally eating the meal. Each frame should look cinematic and fun. And just like that, I get a full set of prompts for each part of the story. Now, I'll copy each of these prompts one by one into Leonardo AI. This will generate the images for every part of our story. Here's the cat shopping. Here's the cat cooking, and finally the cat enjoying the meal. Step by step, the whole story comes to life. But before that, I also need action prompts to bring each image to life. These describe movement for the same scenes, like the cat walking through the market or chopping quickly on a cutting board. I'll ask for those now, so I have both sets ready before generating. Now that we have all the image and action prompts ready, let's start generating the images. First, copy the first image generation prompt. Then, open Chrome and search for Leonardo AI, the website where we can generate our images for free. I've already logged into Leonardo AI. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up with any Gmail and get 150 free credits daily. Now, I'll paste the first prompt here. Make sure the model is set to Phoenix 1.0, the style to dynamic, and the ratio to 9:16, so it fits perfectly for Shorts or TikTok. Once you get all the things done, generate your first image. Now just wait a little while. The image generation might take a few seconds. Once it's ready, you'll see your first AI cat scene appear. Looks great, right? We get 4 image outputs, and you can pick the one that looks best. If it fits perfectly, save it. Once you've made your choice, we'll move on and repeat the same process for the rest of the prompts to complete the full cooking story. Now I'll copy the second image prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI, just like before. This is the same process we'll follow for each prompt, so I won't show all of them one by one. You just need to repeat the steps, copy, paste, generate, and save the best output until you've completed all the prompts. By the end, you'll have the full set of images for our cat's cooking story. Now open Chrome and search for Kling AI. It's the site where we can turn our images into videos for free. Just log in with any Google account and you'll get 166 free credits each month. Once you're in, click on the video option at the bottom and upload your image here to get started. But wait, it asks you to sign in with an account. Okay, so I'll just sign in with my Google account so we can start using Kling AI. I'll just skip the signing in process. Now it's verifying, and then we can continue. The signing in process is done, and I'm in. Here you can see the trial package, which gives me 166 free credits each month. These credits are enough to generate several videos for free. And if you ever run out, you can simply log out and sign up with another account. That way, you'll always have credits available. I've uploaded my image, and it's ready to go. There are many models, but the best free ones are Kling 1.6 and Kling 2.1. I recommend using Kling 1.6 if you want faster results, and Kling 2.1 if you want higher quality. Just keep in mind it takes longer to generate. Now I'll head back to ChatGPT, copy the first action prompt, and paste it here in Kling AI. For the video length, we can choose between 5 seconds for 20 credits or 10 seconds for 40 credits. I'll set it to 5 seconds to save credits. Next, in the output section, we can get up to 4 results, but only one is free. The rest require VIP. Then under quality, there are 2 options, standard and professional. Professional is VIP, so I'll select standard. You can also enable sound effects to add audio automatically, which I'll turn on, and there's a negative prompt option, where you can include details you don't want in your video. Once everything is set, click Generate. The video will move to pending and start processing. Now, go to the History tab. This is where all your previous generations appear. The video usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes to process, but I'll skip ahead. Once it's ready, just click on the video, then hit Download to save it to your device. It's downloading now, usually just a few seconds. While we wait, let me mention that each generation saves directly in your history, so you'll never lose your projects. Done. The video is saved. Now, let's move on to the next frame. I head back to ChatGPT to grab the second action prompt. Got it. Now let's return to Kling AI. First, upload the second image, then paste in the prompt, and just like before, click Generate. In the History tab, it shows as in progress with about 1 minute of processing time. It's the same process we repeat for the rest of the frames. To save time, I'll skip showing the rest in detail, since the steps are identical. All you need to do is copy each remaining prompt from ChatGPT, upload the matching image, paste the prompt, and generate. Just follow the same workflow for every frame until all of your images are turned into videos. Here's one of the videos we just generated as an example. Notice how smooth the animation looks and how Kling AI automatically adds sound effects, making it feel more natural and engaging. Now let's move into CapCut and bring all the videos into a new project. But wait, in the first clip, where the cat walks through the market, the footsteps are missing. Sometimes AI skips small details like this. To fix it, search for footsteps in the sound library, test a few options, and choose the one that feels most natural. Adjust the sound so it matches the cat's steps exactly and trim the remaining part. The other clips already have sound effects, so no changes needed there. Next, add transitions between each clip for a seamless flow. I personally like to use the mixed transition. It feels smooth and natural, so I added it between the clips. Finally, search for a background music. Find a track that matches perfectly. So I found a background music called Cooking Making Natural Nature, which is perfect for this video, but it's longer than the actual video, so trim the ending part of the music. Then it ends neatly with the video. The editing is finished, and the final step is exporting. First, set the frame rate to 60 FPS for the smoothest playback. The AI Ultra HD option is visible, but since it's a pro feature, leave it off. Next, raise the code rate to high to ensure the best image quality. Once everything is set, click Export. An ad may appear, so I'll just skip it. Now, it's exporting the video. This step usually takes just a few seconds, depending on your project size. Now the final result is ready to watch. Let's take a look at the complete video. But before showing you the final result, I want to mention that I've added the 2 asking prompts I used in the description below. The first one is for generating image prompts, and the second one is for generating action prompts. Just copy them, ask ChatGPT, and you'll get all the detailed prompts you can then use in Leonardo AI and Kling AI to create your own AI cat videos. Now everything is ready. Let's watch the final result. Pretty amazing, right? Just look at how smooth and attractive this turned out. Don't let your ideas sit around. Be consistent, keep creating, and step by step you'll grow as a content creator. If this video was helpful or gave you some inspiration, a like and subscribe would mean a lot of support. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.